The Supreme Court's immunity ruling dealt a massive blow to special counsel Jack Smith's case against former President Donald Trump. The High Court's 6-3 decision divided presidential acts into three categories: official acts that are absolutely immune from prosecution, official acts that are presumptively immune from prosecution until the government can prove the prosecution would not threaten the authority of the executive branch, and unofficial acts, which can always be prosecuted. Judge Tanya Chutkan, who is presiding over Trump's case at the lower court level, must now hear arguments about which specific acts are which. Chief Justice John Roberts offered a roadmap for Chutkan. First laid out is Trump's communication with his Department of Justice officials when he was in office were core functions of Trump's job, for which he can absolutely not be prosecuted. Because the Supreme Court said DOJ communication is off limits from prosecution, Smith will likely no longer be able to rely on these details to support his charges. The Supreme Court did explicitly highlight Trump's interactions with his vice president as an example of something that is a difficult question for Chutkan. According to the Supreme Court, Smith will have to prove to Chutkan in the coming months that accusing Trump of such a pressure campaign does not threaten the authority of the executive branch. The Supreme Court said Trump's comments to the general public could also be stripped from Smith's prosecution now. Trump was a frequent social media user in 2020 and 2021, and Smith seized on these posts to support his charges that Trump conspired to violate the rights of voters. Smith will now have to justify to Chutkan these posts were unofficial acts, or official acts that are not immune from prosecution, if he would like to use them against Trump.